Good morning, first class children. How are you? What you all did yesterday? Yesterday is Sunday. No classes, no works. Have you all enjoyed? Okay. And in Friday class, I told you one lesson. Have you all listened to that video? Yes. What is that lesson name? Lesson 3. The Old Man and His Sons. Have you all enjoyed that video? Okay. If you have any doubt, once you see 2nd July Friday video, lesson 3 I told in that video, and I gave you new words and 3 meanings also I told. Once again I will repeat that meanings. Strength meaning power. Okay, strength meaning power. Harm, hurt. Harm, hurt. Peace, silence. Peace, silence. And in this class, today's class, I want to tell you opposites, singular plurals and question and answers. Okay? Okay ma? Once open your books and write opposites heading. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S. Opposites. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S. First one, tie. T-I-E, tie. So, up letter you have to write, touch that above line, and you have to write between these two lines only. Tie opposite, untie. Difficult. Difficult అంటే ఏంటి? చాలా కష్టం. Difficult. Difficult opposite easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy. Next, third one, happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Write down tie and tie. Difficult, easy. Happy, sad. Write that 3 opposites. Next, singular, plural. P-L-U-R-A-L. So, while writing, fold the page to the middle so that all into should come in one line and all hyphen should come in one line. Okay ma? Okay. Now, singular plural. First one, sun. S-O-N. Sun. Sons. Only one son. More than one sons. 3 sons. Old man had how many sons? 3 sons. Next, second one, man. Plural, man. Plural, man. Stick. Only one stick. What we will say? Stick. Sticks. What we will say? Sticks. That's all. Copy down these 2 opposites and singular plurals, or take a photo, pause the video and write, and that by seeing that screenshot photo you can write later. Okay ma? Okay. Now question and answers. Question and answers. Once all of you repeat after me. T-I-E, tie. T-I-E, tie. U-N-T-I-E, untie. Tie ante kattadam. Untie ante కట్టిన దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేసేయడం, అన్టై. ఓకే, ముడి విప్పేయడం అన్నమాట. డిఫికల్ట్, DIFFICULT, డిఫికల్ట్. ఆపోజిట్ ఈజీ, EASY, ఈజీ. హ్యాపీ, HAPPY, హ్యాపీ. opposite sad, SAD, sad. okay, next singular plural, SON, sun, SONS, sons. MAN, man, MEN, men. STICK, stick, STICKS, sticks. okay, copy down. Next, question and answers. Only 3 question and answers are there in this lesson. That 3 question and answers also learn today. Okay, take your parents' help and read. Write heading question and answers in one page, new page. Okay. First question. How many, HOW, how many, MANY, many. SONS, sons. DID, did. THE, the. Old man, OLD, old. MAN, man. Have, HAVE, have. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ సన్స్? హౌ మెనీ సన్స్ డిడ్ ద ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ హ్యావ్? Did the old man have? The old man had 3 sons. How many sons? 3 sons. Answer. The old man had had 3 sons. SONS, sons. Full stop. The old man had 3 sons. Okay. Next, second question. While writing the answer, read the letter what you are writing. మీరు ఏం రాస్తున్నారు అది చెప్తూ రాయాలి. ఓకే, THE, the, OLD, old, MAN, man, HAD, had, THREE, 3, SONS, sons. Repeat after me and write down. Okay. Next, second question. What could the sons, what, WHAT, what could, COULD, could the sons not break, THE, the, SONS, sons, NOT, not, B-R-E-A-K, break. What could the sons not break? ఏం విరగొట్టలేకపోయారు sons? Bundle of sticks. Bundle of sticks. The bundle of sticks. T-H-E, the B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. O-F of S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. The bundle of sticks. Okay? The bundle of sticks. So, these two questions write. So, learn the spellings while writing. T-H-E, the B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. O-F of S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. The bundle of sticks. Okay? Next. Only 3 questions are there in this lesson. Enough. And textual grammar, I will tell you. Take a screenshot of these questions or pause the video and note down. Write slowly. Okay? Listen to the video and take your own time to write the notes. Okay? మీరు ఎంతసేపు అయినా సరే నీట్గా రాయాలి, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లర్న్ అండ్ రైట్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్. ఓకేమా? నెక్స్ట్, lesson 3, family members. So, how many family members are there in your house? If it is a small family, mother, father, brother or sister and yourself. Yes or no? And if it is a joint family, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, your sister or brother, like that. More than 4 members. Okay? So, here one conversation is given. Conversation means one family was sitting in the living room and doing one activity. They are playing carom board. Okay? So, listen to this paragraph. So, my name is Namrata. My family and I love playing carom. Usually I sit in. So, here they have given the figure. Here they have given the picture. So, by seeing this picture, you have to do this activity. I will post this activity in your WhatsApp group so that you do this and send me back. Okay? This passage you have to write. Only answers enough. Only answers write down. Okay? Only answers. So, where Namrata was sitting and where her brother was sitting, in whose lap, ఎవరు ఒళ్ళో కూర్చొని ఉన్నాడు ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళ బ్రదరు, అవన్నీ చూసి మీరు రాయాలి. మధ్యలో ఎవరున్నారు, గ్రాండ్ మదర్. పెట్ ఎక్కడుంది, వాళ్ళ పెట్ ఎవరు, చిన్న క్యాట్ని పెంచుకుంటున్నారు వాళ్ళు. ఇది పిక్చర్ చూసి మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ మాత్రం రాయండి. ఓకే? or otherwise after having your textbook you can do this activity, but in the meanwhile you please just see this activity and think yourself. Okay? Next, here read the following story. One story was given here, beautiful story. There was once a boy who sold caps. Caps ante telusa meeku, topilu, cap. Okay? There was once a boy who sold caps. One day he sat under a tree and fell asleep. There were monkeys on the tree. Monkeys. The monkeys climbed down the tree and took 1 cap, 2 cap, 3 caps and ran away. So that Capsula was sitting and sleeping under the tree, and from the tree monkeys came and took all his caps. The boy woke up and saw there were no caps. He looked up and saw the monkeys. He got angry and threw his cap down. So immediately what the boy did? He removed his cap and threw away. So all the monkeys also did the same thing. The monkeys saw this and threw their caps down. The boy took all the caps and ran away. అర్థమైందా మీకు? Okay, this story also I will post in the group. Once you see, watch, listen, okay? Next, some plurals are given here. This activity you do yourself. And next, one beautiful diagram is given. Draw a big circle, this monkey's face. Okay, it's somewhat tough. No need this one. And these 3 pages I will post in the group, so that you do these activities and send me. Okay. And now a beautiful poem I will tell you. Small poem, Baby Chick. What is that poem name? Baby Chick. Okay. So, one beautiful poem, Baby Chick. Peck, peck, peck on the warm brown egg. Out comes a neck, out comes a leg. How does a chick who's not been about discover the trick of how to get out? So, here one egg is there. All of you see here. From this egg, a small chick was come out. See here, first head, later legs, and after coming, the egg was broke down and the little chick came outside. Okay, see. Once again I will read this poem. Peck, peck, peck on the warm brown egg. Out comes a neck, out comes a leg. How does a chick who's not been about discover the trick of how to get out? Okay, this page also I will post in the group once you read. And here are some sounds. So what does the when the rain comes, what sound you hear? Pitta, pitta, pat, pitta, patta, pat, like that. Some type of sounds will come. When you knock the door, knock, knock, knock. What does the snake say? Hiss, hiss, hiss. What does the clock say? Tick, tock, like that. What does the mobile phone says? Tring, tring, like that. Okay. This page also once go through. Okay. Next, here some sounds of the animals are also given here. And in the next class, I will tell you 4th lesson. Okay. Now today, all of you take your books and write down lesson 3. Okay, lesson 3 and Baby Chick poem also. Once you all of you revise. Okay, once all of you revise. What are you all doing? Are you all following the works? Okay. Next. Once repeat after me Baby Chick poem. Are you all sitting quietly now? Listen to the poem, and once all of you repeat that poem. Okay, once 1 minute. Peck, peck, peck on the warm brown egg. Out comes a neck, out comes a leg. How does a chick who's not been about discover the trick of how to get out? Okay, the small monkey figure also is there. Once draw this one and read this poem. We'll post in the group. Okay, ma. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.